guys, it's me again with another captivating video. I'll be showing you how you can create or make a thumbnail using an iPhone. If you want to learn how to do it, keep watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. First thing you would do is to download the Phonto app. It's free and very easy to use. So you click on the camera button over there. You select plain images. You can select any of the images over there. So since it's not YouTube size, you would want to customize it to YouTube size. Okay, so you customize it to a width of 1280 and a height of 720. Okay, done. Okay, this is the perfect size for YouTube thumbnail. You click on that button over there, then use. Okay, and your thumbnail is ready. But if you want to add image to it, you select that button, add image, then you select any image from your photos. Okay, so you have to make sure it's going to fit in the plain thumbnail there. So you can increase the size or decrease the size. You can use those buttons to decrease or increase the size, or you can even use your hand to increase or decrease the size if you want. So you can use the move button to move the image to your right or any way you want, or you can use your hand to do it as well. So if you want to add another image, you go there, add image, select the photo you want, click on done, and it's there. I just hope I'm communicating to you guys, because so I want it to be the same size as the first one. I make sure. Okay, so the first one is 217, so I make sure this one too is 217. I line it up and make sure that it's in the plain image that you created. Okay, so when you're satisfied enough, you click on that button, save image, done. You go back to your camera roll and see if it's okay. It didn't cut any part that you wanted it to be in it. Okay, so my thumbnail is created. I go back to Phonto. I click on the camera button again, photo albums. This time I select photo albums. You select the thumbnail, click on done. So if you want to add text to it, you tap on it, you select add text, then you add text. Let's say everyday makeup. You guys, I hope everything is clear. Okay, so you can select any font that you want. There are a lot of fonts over there, so I'll be selecting Henny Penny for this one. Okay, you can move your text anywhere that you want it to be. You can increase the size, decrease the size. You can just play with it anyhow you want it. The style is to add color to your text, so you can change the color to any color that you want. Stroke is used to add some outer lining to it, so you can try the colors. The width is to increase the outer line, the size of the outer lining. You can make it large or small. So when you're done, you click done. You can place it anywhere you want using the move button. You can place it anywhere you want. If you want to tilt it, you can use the tilt thing over there to tilt it. So if you want to add another text, let's say look, follow the same procedure. You select a font that you want. So I'll be selecting Helvetica New Light Italic. Okay, so you can select any font that you want, and you can play with the colors too. So you can select any color that you want. You can select any outer lining too. you can just play around with these colors. Okay, so if you want to add background, you select any background that you want. You can play around with it. You can increase or decrease it to fit your specs. Okay, so when you are done, select done, place it anywhere. You can place it anywhere. You can use the move button or use your hand to do that. So when you're done, you select that button, save image, and your thumbnail is ready. So go back to your camera roll and check if it is okay. So I have my thumbnail. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks guys for watching this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it to your friends and loved ones. Stay safe.